Hi, beautiful soul. I am so glad you have taken some time out of your day for this moment of pause. This meditation is to help center your thoughts. Now start this mindfulness meditation by finding a comfortable spot in whichever relaxing form you like. When you're settled and it feels natural, softly let your eyelids fall. With your eyes shut, notice how you feel. Feel the pull of gravity where your body touches the chair or floor. What do you feel? It's okay however it is. Just notice and let it be. Pay attention to your breathing now. How does it feel to breathe in and out? As you keep feeling your breath and body, think about the room around you. You don't have to see it to know it's there. The air, the space, it's all part of this moment. If your mind starts to wander, no worries. Just gently come back to thinking about your breathing and how your body feels. Stay with this simple awareness. There's nothing you have to fix or change. If thoughts come, they come. Just keep bringing your attention back to your breath, your body. Start coming back to where you are. Move your shoulders a bit. Wiggle your fingers and toes. You're still noticing everything, but you're also moving again. When you feel ready, open your eyes. You did great taking this time for yourself. Hope you feel refreshed and ready for whatever comes next in your day. I hope your day is filled with love and light.